Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hi, my name is Brendan Lowe, and I'm a Salesforce and AI expert at Solved. If you work with Salesforce and you have contacts that span across more than one of your accounts, and you want an accurate way to represent that in Salesforce, then this video is going to be extremely helpful for you. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can relate contacts to more than one account in Salesforce and track those relationships. Let me share my screen and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need to do in order to enable this functionality is you'll need to go into setup and go to account settings. In account settings, you'll see that there is a contacts to multiple accounts settings tab or section. And here is what needs to be checked. Allow users to relay a contact to multiple accounts. So that's already checked, but you'll need to make sure that you enable that once you're ready for this. Then once you've done that, there's some key things that you need to change in order for this to be available on the front end. First is you'll need to go to account. And make sure that on your page layout, you add a very specific related list, and that's going to be the related contacts list. Not to be confused with the standard just contacts, but you'll need the related contacts. Then you'll need to go to the contact and do the same thing. You'll update the page layout and include the related accounts related list. And once you've done that, when you go to an account, you will see now that you can see all the related contacts, which is pretty standard, but you can actually track relationships, right? So if I add a relationship, then I can add another contact and give it a role, a start and end date. And you can do the same thing now from the contact, which is different from just your standard account behavior. One thing to note is because I have an account listed in the account name, that is already set up as a related account. And let me edit this. You'll see that that already sets it up as the direct relationship. So whichever account you have listed on your contact, the account contact relationship will automatically default to direct. But this allows me to add contacts to multiple accounts. So I can add a relationship to another account here. Let's see if I can find one here. I can indicate what is their role with or their relationship with this account. And then, like I said, I can give this a start date and potentially even an end date. So in the future, if I no longer, let's say Aiden no longer works with or at Acme Partners, then I can go in here and I can include an end date and say, okay, as of today, they're done. Maybe I deactivate them as well. So this is extremely helpful. It allows you to track contacts across multiple accounts without creating duplicates and be able to track those relationships, understand if they're active, starts and end dates, and their role or relationship with each of those accounts. If you'd like to learn more about this or get help with setting it up, I'd like to invite you to go to SOLVD.cloud and request a free consultation so that I can come in, or one of my coworkers can come in and consult you and help you with doing this. You can also take a look at your other needs and help your business to increase their usage and efficiency in utilization of Salesforce. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.